In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme in Jira. If you've ever wanted Jira to feel more comfortable for your eyes or better matched to your work environment, this quick walkthrough will help you switch the overall appearance in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head over to Atlassian.com. This is the home base for all Atlassian cloud products, including Jira. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the page loads quickly and you can navigate without interruptions. Next, click Sign Up. This takes you to Atlassian's account creation flow, which sets you up to access your profile settings where the theme lives. If you already have an Atlassian account, continue with the on-screen prompts as applicable so you can reach your account area. The important part is that you're signed into the Atlassian cloud environment associated with your Jira. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This small avatar menu is where Atlassian gathers your personal settings that apply across products. If you don't see your avatar immediately, give the page a moment to finish loading or resize your window so the top menu is fully visible. From the drop-down menu, click Theme. This opens a simple panel dedicated to appearance. Here you can adjust how Jira and other Atlassian cloud interfaces look for your account. It's a personal preference, so it only affects what you see, not what your teammates see. You'll notice there are three options to choose from. Take a moment to pick the one that best supports your workflow. Some people prefer a brighter interface for well-lit offices, while others find a darker or more subdued look easier on the eyes, especially during long sessions. As you select a theme, keep an eye on contrast and readability of text, icons, and borders so your boards, issues, and backlogs remain easy to scan. Once you've made your selection, the change is applied immediately. There's no save button to hunt for. The interface updates right away. If a page was already open, navigate around your project or refresh a tab to see the new look reflected everywhere. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same theme section and pick a different option. It's completely reversible. That's it. Your Jira theme is now updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one.